Stop recording.
Okay, Natalia, I'm coming in. Oh, you're recording? You shouldn't do that.
You live off of Stephanie, right?
I do.
We were out on, what was it? Mac?
Yeah, how did they show it?
Well, it was good. Really nice. Oh, a lot of people. Oh my goodness, there was 80-some people.
So, were you off of Vicky and then Jackie?
Yep.
So when you go down Stephanie, you hit the sign, stop sign at Vicky, and then you go north,
Yeah,
and
Yeah.
then you go right, and then
Yeah.
you're kind of going up a hill.
up the hill, and they live right up, what, 2884 Mac?
You don't need to give me the stuff, because if I go there and surprise them, they don't know where I'm coming from, and I'll say, well, you know, Nita said so, and so here I am.
I don't know whose house it wasn't at. It was at somebody else's house that we didn't know them, but we.
Well, they invited you in, they hosted you, and you felt
Well,
good.
Jonah and Hannah, our grands, that's where because they had a larger yard because it was outside. They had a nice water
The
running.
houses up there are really nice.
Oh yeah, water running right through their backyard.
Excuse me, Jan, can you just look at this and tell me what you see? No, I understand that. Would you call this a chicken sandwich, or would you call this bread with a little...
Yes, bread.
Scrambled egg.
Bacon and chicken.
You do that.
Steve and Carolyn were in here, but they had to go because he had something he had to take care of.
Do you know you're recording at this time?
Oh, is she?
Can't
Yeah,
let
she
you
knows
do
she
that,
is.
Star Fox.